Please check out the earlier videos on the text wrap. You've got a symbol here. How do you add additional shapes to it? If you go and add a curve now, an additional curve, it will fail. What you need to do with the symbol, with that symbol selected, you need to go up to text wrap and make that also have a text wrap. So set that to tight and both sides and close. Now you can add additional designs to the symbol. All of those symbols now will have the same text wrap setting. The curve also has a text wrap setting as well. So file and edit in Designer. You don't have to, of course, you can do it in Publisher, but you can also go to Designer and expand out that symbol, and you've got that curve there. Well, you can now add additional shapes. And if I add a shape now, all of them will get additional shapes. Now before, if you hadn't done that text wrap, it would have added it, but it wouldn't have had the wrap. But each time you add it now, you can add rectangles, any shape, doesn't particularly matter. They will all wrap and they will all appear in each and every symbol. And of course, you don't have to have that gradient. You can put any colour in it. You can put images in it and much, much more. And all those designs are all part of the symbol and they've all got the same text wrap now. So again, file and edit in Publisher, or you could use photo, of course. And again, you can go and select a symbol and you can then resize it, resize the entire symbol. And that's not connected with the other symbols. You can rotate it, resize it, doesn't matter. Then you can select the rectangle inside the symbol and resize that, and all of them will change for all the symbols, along with the gradient, etc.